it smells delicious. Look at this delicious French food. Bonjour! Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be making some French cuisine, a dish called Pot Au Feu. It is a nice day today in Somerset, so we will be spending time outside making some food on the fire. Come along with me. But first, I will show you the ingredients. The pot au feu is normally made with beef, but today we will be making a vegan version of this dish. We will use tempeh as our source of protein. Tempeh is made from soya beans and it is widely available, but you can also use smoked tofu instead. For the recipe we will need some celery, some vegetable stock cubes, cloves, parsnips and a turnip, bay leaves, potatoes, some French mustard, a small Savoy cabbage, some coarse sea salt, carrots, some fresh oregano, of course garlic and onions, 1 liter of water, leeks, some olive oil and some pepper for serving. We will also need some thyme and parsley, which I will now harvest from the garden. You may be wondering, but no, snails and frog legs are not part of this recipe. Let's go. Let's prepare the dish. Some fresh thyme, and some fresh parsley. The next step is to cut the vegetables as per the recipe. Following this, we take the onion halves and we push the cloves into them from under. Like this. The next step is to place the clove-stuffed onion halves in the pot, and then we add the remaining ingredients. I am now setting everything up for cooking. Let's look at the history of this famous French dish. Pot au feu simply means pot on the fire. And indeed, we place the pot on the fire. It is an age-old French recipe, and French chefs often say that it is the embodiment of French family cuisine. So welcome to the family! Today, we are making the most famous dish in France, a true national dish, and I am very happy to share it with you. A little check to see whether it is boiling. Not yet, but soon. And when it starts boiling, we will leave it to cook for 30 minutes. There is something special about cooking on the fire like this, isn't it? Not only it's free, but it's also nice and cozy. Let me show you how it looks from different angles. For the fire, I am using the EU Solo Stove. It is a smokeless fire pit and it is very useful. For the cooking, I use the Solo Stove pot. I will put some links in the description below the video. The smell of this dish is known to fill the whole house and it will make your mouth water. And that includes the neighbors too, because we are making this dish outside. And this is also a great comfort food. The dish cooks for 30 minutes and you can stop the cooking when the vegetables are tender but not falling apart. It smells delicious because of all the herbs, many vegetables and the spices we used. Now it has been boiling for 30 minutes. We can take it off from the fire. But be careful, it's hot. Special gloves. Always think about health and safety, not to burn yourself. Let's go. The dish is ready for serving. Let's do that. It smells very nice. Delicieux. Some potatoes. Here's a turnip coming. The tempeh, soya based, carrots and our vegetables. Actually, but that's not all. A little bit of olive oil, not too much. Celtic sea salt. I think it comes from Brittany actually, from where I live. You can get it on Amazon. I'll put a link under the video. A bit of salt, but not too much. And the mustard for serving on the side. So you would put the mustard in your bowl next to the food. I'm not gonna put it here now. Let's serve. You can use a bowl or a plate. I will use the plate today, so it's easier to put the mustard on the side. Let's cut the cabbage. Another potato. Some celery for you. Of course, a bit of proteins, isn't it? Another carrot. Half? Okay, half. What else have we got? Of course, leek. Bit of sauce and a bit more proteins. Here we go. Enjoy. The salt can be added when it is already served. This gives it a special edge, as the crystals have of course not yet dissolved. Okay, so let's try it. Delicieux, delicious. The herbs, the spices give it a very nice, a very Frenchy taste. I really recommend that you make it too. Bonjour, welcome back. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we will be making a dish called Pot Au Feu. I think I'm speaking too fast.
No, that was good.
Come along with me. But first, I will show you the ingredients. Not like this. I know that some of you have requested some French cuisine, so here it is. It's a national dish, a famous dish. It's on the fire. I said that already. Bonjour! Welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified when the next videos come out. If you would like me to make new videos on this topic, or if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Au revoir for now, but not goodbye.